Chat GPT, give me some long tail keywords for Christian activity books. Wow. Stay tuned. We've got to talk about this. Welcome back to the King's Queen, where I teach you how to master your hustle. I thought I'd jump on here real quick and do a little video to show you all how I am using ChatGPT for my research with KDP niches and keywords. I know there is a lot of controversy surrounding AI and all the things that come with AI, but like it or not, it's not going anywhere. So we might as well get on board with it or get left behind. With that being said, I'm on the train, but my eyes are open and my common sense is lingering. Meaning, all the things that we use this stuff for, check it out before you just simply post it where you're posting it or whatever you're doing with this information. Double check it, quadruple check it, because it's easy, and every time something is this easy, there's always a shoe to drop or something negative going to come behind it. Make sure that everything's on up and up before you go loading everything that you are getting from these AI sites. With that being said, I got a question in one of my comments about keywords. And I do use ChatGPT. So the young lady asked me where I got my keywords from and how I could get keywords. And basically, I just use Amazon and a few other Chrome extensions from time to time, but Amazon mainly. So I was thinking, I'm on ChatGPT some for images. Well, not ChatGPT for images. I'm on Creative Spark for images generated by AI. And I use ChatGPT for books. So I was on here and I was saying maybe ChatGPT could help me with that. So I'm going to take what she asked me, the niche that she asked me for specifically, and she is selling digital Christian mini activity books. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me some keywords. I'm going to let you all watch me do this for the first time. What are some long tail keywords for Christian activity books? I do recommend using ChatGPT because it is amazing. But you ask it a question and it pops up with answers lightning speed. So they've given me this list: Christian coloring books for adults, Bible themed activity books, Christian crossword puzzle, Christian word search books, Christian Sudoku puzzles. All of this you can use as keywords if your products pertain to this. So I'm going to take one of these I'm going to take it over to Amazon and see Bible theme activity books. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, for Bible themed activity books, there are only 990. 990. That's a pretty good niche. So I suggest that if you're in that niche, get to putting up some Bible themed activity books. And this extension I have on here is Self-Publishing Titans. It's a Chrome extension, and basically it gives you a score when you put in something in the search. It gives you a score right here and lets you know if it's a good niche to go into or not. 50 and above is great. Anything lower is considered, quote unquote, I guess, saturated. There's a lot of competition, but I like to linger. I don't mind lingering around the mid to high 40s, but anything over 50 is great. You can also, it also shows you how many results are on Amazon, how many are on the first page, when they were published, and things like that. So it's a pretty cool extension. But this comes in at 51, so yeah, this extension says it's good. So like I said, if you want to roll with it, you might want to roll with that. But a lot of these have 5-star ratings, so there is a demand for it. People are buying these books. You could even, I'm going to take it a step further and see Bible themed activity books, and I'm going to put for kids and see what it comes up with. And this one is even better. 425 results. And these also have some 5-star reviews and ratings. You know, people are always searching for different keywords to put in those 7 boxes. What are some long keywords for coloring books? Let's see what it tells us. Adult coloring books for adults, mandala coloring books, nature coloring books, animal coloring books, flower, geometric, abstract. These are different niches, and I'm going to, let's say we want to go with animal coloring books. Now, deeper. What are some niches for animal coloring books? You can pretty much go into a rabbit hole. You take all of these suggestions that they are giving, put them on Amazon, search them up, and see how many results you get. Check and see if those are being searched for, check the ratings, and you can create your products and know that somebody is looking for them. Hopefully I wasn't rambling too much. I just wanted to show you all what I was doing and what I'm doing with ChatGPT, because ChatGPT is being talked about heavy right now. I think it's been out since like December, and it is on the tip of everybody's tongue. So I'm on board with it for right now. I don't see a problem with it. I'm pretty sure the way things are going, it's not going to be free for long. So if you want to get on and get some use for it before they start charging, I suggest that you do it now. But I'm going to let you all go. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Be blessed.